stained, marked with something hard to remove. Her shirt was stained with coffee. The sofa was stained with juice. Grimy, dark, sticky kind of dirty. Her hands were grimy after fixing the car. The walls looked grimy and old. Filthy. Very, very dirty. The bathroom was filthy and smelled terrible. His clothes were filthy after working in the mud. Greasy. Covered with oil or fat. The stove was greasy after cooking. Her hands felt greasy after touching the pan. Sticky. Wet and glue-like. The table felt sticky after the drink spilled. Her fingers were sticky from candy. Messy. Not clean or not organized. Her bedroom was messy after she rushed out in the morning. The desk looked messy with clothes and books everywhere. Cluttered. Too many things in one place. Her table was cluttered with makeup and notebooks. The small room felt cluttered with boxes stacked everywhere. Untidy. Not neat but not very dirty. Her bed looked untidy with the blanket hanging down. Her hair was untidy after running outside. Dusty. Covered with dust. The shelf was dusty because nobody cleaned it. She touched the dusty table and saw gray powder on her finger. Dirty. Not clean. Her shoes were dirty after walking in the rain. The kitchen floor looked dirty with footprints. Muddy. Covered with mud. Her shoes were muddy after playing outside. The carpet became muddy when she walked in. Spilled. Liquid that fell by mistake. She spilled water on the floor. Juice spilled from the glass when she moved too fast. Crumbs. Small pieces of food. Crumbs were scattered on the bed. She brushed the crumbs off the table. Garbage. Things thrown away. The garbage bag was full and heavy. She carried the garbage outside. Trash. Another word for garbage. She threw the wrapper in the trash. The trash can was almost overflowing. Smelly. Having a bad smell. The room was smelly after the trash stayed inside. His shoes were smelly after a long day. Overflowing. Too full and coming out. The sink was overflowing with water. The bin was overflowing with trash. Scattered. Spread around in different places. Clothes were scattered across the room. Papers were scattered all over the floor. Disorganized. Not arranged in order. Her closet was disorganized and messy. His books were disorganized on the shelf. Fumbling. Moving clumsily or trying to hold something and struggling. She was fumbling with her phone while walking. He fumbled with the keys before unlocking the door. Tangled. All twisted together and messy. Her earphones were tangled in her bag. The necklace got tangled in her hair. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.